The second collection type I would like to introduce to you is set. Set stores element in a special collection which is unordered and unindexed. Every set element is unique and unchangeable. We use a curly bracket to define a set, and the items in the set follows comma separated syntax. So the same thing is a list, but here we have the curly bracket instead of square bracket. So for example, what we have here is a set of fruit. Just a curly bracket, apple, orange, and lemon. You can check the type of the fruit. Here is a set. Yeah, you see that is a set, not a list anymore. And the unordered, that mean the set that is can put in any order which is different from what you put what you input here. So you can see maybe it's here you see apple, lemon, orange. So that means the Python store the set in any order. You don't know that which order that Python store the set. The next thing is indexes. Unindexed means that you have no way to tell an element is stored that at what index. Here you can imagine that you have a basket of fruits. You know that there is an apple inside, but you don't know the exact position of the apple. What you know is that if you take out all the fruits from the basket, you will see an apple here. Okay, so that is why we call the set the unindexed. Every set elements is unique. That means we cannot have two elements are equal in a set. So for example, here you create a set, but you have like another apple, and the set still only store three unique value here: apple, lemon, and orange. Okay, so that means you cannot have two elements are duplicated in the set. And every set every set is unchangeable, means that we cannot modify the item in a set. What you can do is just remove the existing item and then add a new item to the set. Here you also have the same way to do the loop over the set item, the fruit. Oh sorry, we for f in the fruits, and we print out the f. You can see here the order the item is printed out is very different from what you see here. Lemon first, orange, and apple. So that means you don't know what order the Python store is set. The next thing that we talk about the adding and remove the element. So here, for example, you add a new item to a set. We use a built-in method add. So we have add, and you put here like banana, and you will see it here, and you actually don't know what kind of order it is. So here the banana here is the first, but here banana is second. So okay, so please remember that if you add an item which is already existed, the method will do nothing because each item in the set is unique. So like you want to add another banana to the fruit list. Here you will see no change. We see no change. Banana, there's only one banana in the set. Okay. To remove an item in the set, just call the method remove. Like the same thing. Do remove. Like for example, we remove the apple here, and you will see the new fruit. There's no apple here, right? Please be careful if you remove an item which is not existed in the set. You will see a key error. Like you already removed the apple here, but you remove the apple again, and then you will see an error. Okay. The next thing is about the set operation. Is subset, is superset, intersection, and union. So here the is subset check the set is a subset of another set and return the choose of form. For example, I have another set, my basket equal to banana and orange, and the fruit list here is banana and the orange, and I can check that the my basket is subset of the fruit, and you will see that is true, right? Because the banana here, the orange here, and you can okay, and you also can do the is superset. We check the set is a superset of another set and return choose a form. Here for example, you change it is a super set. Okay, it's false, right? Because the fruit here is a superset of the my basket, so you can do the it in reverse order. E superset my basket is true, right? Okay, the third operation is intersection. So intersection returns the set of all common element in the two sets. So for example, here my basket, we do the intersection with the fruit list. So you see only the two element, banana and orange. So another method, the final operation is union. So union returns a new set which is an union of the two sets. So you can say here my basket union with the fruit, and you will see the banana, lemon, and orange, which is a larger set, right? Okay. The final thing I would like to talk about the built-in set in methods. I have introduced to you the some method like the add, the remove, and the is subset, is superset, intersection here. For the rest, you should take a look at the textbook and you can try to do the coding yourself to practice this on the method. So for example, here you can press the tab button and you will see all the method supported with the object fruits.